Recording?
Yeah.
Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a review on Hidden Valley ranch dressing and oil. So this garbage is name brand, we got it from Walmart. So the first thing there is some ranch dressing with this nasty cheddar cheese and piece of turkey with some carrots. So the first so the first thing we're gonna review is ranch dressing. You took out the 20 that was in there?
No, it's right there.
No, you didn't. Wasn't there more?
Yeah.
I knew you were gonna spend it.
Let me try.
I'm gonna let you get the first bite of those two, okay?
Oh, thanks, man.
This is good.
Yeah.
You recording?
Yeah.
Guys, we totally recommend this. We'll literally eat anything as long as it's edible. Like, we literally don't care if it's healthy or not.
If it's tasty and edible.
Like, if it was just carrots and broccoli, I wouldn't eat it.
Yeah.
Like, since it's ranch, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's actually good though. I feel like the lighting was better with that. Can you turn on that light? Huh? The lighting was better with that. No, that doesn't. Yeah, so there's cheese inside of this and some turkey.
And some kind of turkey thing. We're gonna review that real quick too. Making the news. Bugs are making the news.
I feel like it's not gonna be good. Is it?
It's just like cheese.
The end of the world is around the corner, and they're showing them off.
Yeah, it tastes good together.